There's a quote I love that says, dreams don't work unless you do. Simple, right? But wow, it hits hard. Think about it. You got this dream to build your online business. You picture the freedom, the income, the lifestyle. But let me ask you, are you just dreaming about it, or are you actually doing something today that brings you closer? The truth is, a dream by itself isn't going to pay the bills. A dream doesn't grow your email list. A dream doesn't get the course launched or the product sold. Your action does. And don't get me wrong, your dream is powerful. It's a vision that gets you excited. But if you never put in the work, it just stays in your head. That's why action matters. Every post you make, every video you share, every small step forward you take is like turning the key that unlocks that dream. It doesn't have to be huge. You just don't have to do it like all at once, right? Where you feel like you knew this all in one day because Rome wasn't built in a day. You just have to move, post that one thing, send that one email, talk to that one person who could be your next customer or client. Because when you show up, when you do the work, even when in small ways, your dream starts to show up for you. So let me ask you, what's one tiny action you can take today? Not tomorrow, not next week when it's less busy, but now, today, right now. Remember, dreams don't work unless you do, and I believe you can do this. You've got what it takes to turn that dream in your mind into something real that you could touch, see, and live. So, are you ready? Then let's get going. Let's do the work. Your dream is waiting. I'm Adriel. Be blessed, be a blessing, and live life fully alive.